In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your App Store ID in just 5 minutes. We'll be covering two straightforward methods, so whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, you should find this guide easy to follow and helpful. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Settings app on your device. Once you tap on that familiar gear icon, you'll be presented with the main settings screen. Right at the top, you'll notice your name clearly displayed. This is where you want to focus your attention. By tapping on your name, you open up your Apple ID settings. This section is essentially your account hub, where you manage everything related to your Apple account. Now take a closer look at the information displayed here. You'll see your Apple ID, which is actually your email address. This email address is crucial because it's used as your App Store ID. It's the key to signing in and accessing all your downloads and purchases. If you prefer not to navigate through settings, there's an alternative method you can use. Begin by opening the App Store, which is just a tap away on your home screen. Once inside the App Store, make your way to the top right corner and locate your profile icon. This icon often features your profile picture if you've set one, or otherwise it'll be the standard icon for profiles. By tapping this profile icon, you access your Apple ID details within the App Store environment. Here again, you'll see your Apple ID email right at the top. It's another confirmation that your Apple ID and App Store ID are one and the same. This makes it convenient to remember because you're using the same email across different services provided by Apple. Now, with your App Store ID in hand, remember that you'll use this ID for signing into the App Store or iCloud. It's a vital piece of information that ties everything together across your Apple ecosystem. If you ever forget your App Store ID, you can easily revisit either of these methods to remind yourself of it. And there you have it, two simple ways to locate your App Store ID. Whether you're checking through settings or the App Store, it's a quick process that ensures you always have access to your Apple services. Keep this information handy for whenever you need it, and you'll never struggle to find your App Store ID again. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tips. Have a great day and keep exploring your device with confidence.